Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm thrilled to show you the ultimate workflow for creating AI videos using AutoClips V3. If you love pushing the limits of AI image generation as much as I do, this tool is an absolute game changer for bringing your concepts to life. Let's dive right in. First, let's kick things off by clicking the Create Now button under AutoClips V3 on your dashboard. Next, you'll need to choose a story. You can type in your own prompt or Reddit URL, but today we're grabbing one from the trending list. Let's click on "The tardigrade can survive a vacuum, radiation, and the void of space." Here's what that actually means. After that, you can choose language from the drop-down menu. Then, pick the category that best fits. We'll click on technology. You can select quality from here, then click on Continue. Now for the fun part, choosing the visual style for our generated images. We're going for that premium look, so let's select the cinematic style. Then click on Continue. Over in the Settings menu, let's dial in our preferences. Set the target duration to 1 minute and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16, perfect for your TikToks or Reels. You can choose AI quality, sound effects, animated scenes, image models, image duration. Click Continue when you're done. Now, let's give our video a voice. First, select the language from the drop-down menu, then choose Voice Model. I'll go with Multilingual V2 Voice Model. Then choose from the available voices. Let's pick Charlie, deep, confident, energetic. Once you've got your voice dialed in, just click on the Continue button. Let's add some vibe with background music. You can choose background music from Music Library, or you can upload. We'll click on Migration Path from Music Library. Then select Generate Script button. Now watch the magic happen. AutoClips is researching the topic, brainstorming angles, writing the narration, and finalizing the script for us. Once the script drops, you can review and tweak your scenes. You can adjust the length of each one. For example, let's select the Make Shorter. You can also edit or delete script scene. After reviewing, click on Customize and Preview. The AI will now analyze the script to find recurring elements, generating character and scene references, so everything stays visually consistent. Review your generated assets like the tardigrade and scientist. If it looks solid, click Continue to generate. AutoClips will now generate the images and build your edit. Give it a few minutes to work its magic. Boom! Once it's done, you're in the timeline editor. Here you can preview and customize. Let's change the caption style from classic to typewriter for that cool effect. You can also customize more before render. When everything looks perfect in preview mode, hit the Render Video button at the bottom right. The engine is now stitching scenes, adding transitions, layering sound effects, syncing captions, applying visual effects, and exporting your masterpiece. And there it is, your video is ready to roll. You can preview the final cut right here. Down below the player, you've got your SEO and posting info perfectly optimized for short-form platforms. Just click Copy All to grab your title, description, and hashtags. And that's how incredibly simple it is to generate a complete, high-quality video using AutoClips V3. Thanks for watching, and get creating.